Hi everyone, let's sketch graph of derivative using graph of function. We will apply the following definition. If derivative positive, our function increases. If derivative negative, our function decreases. In inverse situation, if we have, for example, function increasing, derivative would be positive. If our function decreasing, derivative must be negative on this interval. Problem 1. For example, we have given function y equals f of x. It is my function and graph of my function. I must create graph of first derivative f prime of x. First of all, according to our definition, we have to find interval with our function increasing. I take red. The first interval, my function increasing from negative infinity to this point. X coordinate of this point, -1. So my function is increasing on negative infinity, -1. And the second interval for function, 1.8 to infinity. So I have two intervals where my derivative is positive. What does mean derivative positive? This means for us all values of our derivative must be above x-axis. Okay, so this is my -1. It is 1.8. Graph must be above axis. That is approximately view. Next interval. From -1 to 1.8, function decreases. So function decreases, derivative negative. Graph of derivative, if derivative negative, must be under x-axis. So this is part like that. Finally, we have graph of derivative, the first derivative of our given function. This is our graph. Thank you for watching and see you soon.